first step, I've partnered with lots of spinal cord injury organizations and leaders in partnered research from across North America and asked, like, how would we do this? And together we've created the first guiding principles for conducting research in partnership. This research is designed around, let's make sure that when we do spinal cord injury research and when we ask for the time and the effort of people with lived experience, of people that use our research, if we're asking them to come and work with us, it should be with quality engagement. They should have shared decision making, and it should be meaningful to them. Otherwise, why are we taking their time away from all their other priorities in their life? As a partnership, we've gone to conferences, we've gone to different meetings, we have online webinars and tools, and now the North American Spinal Cord Injury Consortium is doing like an entire course around how we engage people with SCI based on the principles, creating all sorts of different tools and resources. And often it is through organizations like Praxis where people hear about them. Other people hear about them through the like publications that we have and things like that. But I think the more awareness we can create about them, the better. Like sometimes it's through social media. And the interesting thing, what we've been doing since they launched, so they launched last February, we've been tracking where people come from. So how do we get them to our website? But we also track every single thing our partnership does. So if our partnership does a presentation, if our partnership goes and does a series of videos, like we're doing a series of videos in French and things right now at the moment, we make sure that we know everything that we're doing and when it goes out. And then we look to see on our website and on all of our different hits, when we do partnered work, does it tick up the awareness? And we can actually show you that, like, yeah, actually we did something as a partnership here, and we increase our awareness. We're seeing the guiding principles there. People are talking about them at conferences. People are talking about them at meetings. I see people discuss them in all sorts of places. They've been cited in the Lancet as like an important approach for changing the way we do engaged research. So the guiding principles are making an impact, but we are also really working to recognize that they're one step in this and that we're trying to make much bigger change.